Gus.
5, 6, 7, 5, 5, 4 maybe? 5 pounds, 4 ounces?
Hey, look at this.
Yeah, buddy.
Stay here, Bernie.
You got time. Just take your time. Wear them out.
Hey, we're trying to.
Tip up, tip up, tip up. Attaboy.
It's wearing me out.
Make what you can. Try to keep away from the silver dot.
Yeah.
You're good.
Daddy, he's 5'4".
Oh, that's a big striper, buddy. Stand in the end of the dot.
Daddy, he's 5'4". I told you it's another striper. Dad, drop him in.
You get him?
Dad, drop him in. It's a striper. What?
Hang loose for 1 minute. Don't reel when it's going out. Don't reel when the drag's going out. Keep his head up, buddy. Head up. Keep his head up. A little more, buddy. Got him.
Woo! Look at that!
That's a huger. Holy crap. Sound good. Hang on.
My hand!
Give me the fire.
Mav, get the pole up off the ground.
Devin, what are you doing? Get the other fish.
Hey, Mav, help.
You can let the other one go.
Devin.
Did you get a picture of it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, let him go. He's going to die if you don't let him go.
Stale. It's stale.
What do you mean it's stale?
It's not moving.
He'll be alright. Get him back in the water.
Get the pliers, guys.
It's
We're gonna be
heavy.
here all night.
Devin, can you go with the pliers?
Turn Daddy's tackle box. Grab my tackle box. It's on the bottom of the shed.
Oh, my hand. I got him.
Oh, easy, buddy.
Side pocket.
What is it? Why do you need the pliers?
I can't get that. Okay.
Can I use the same thing Justin was using on the pole? No, we're gonna leave it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Focus up on the pole.
You get him up there?
Almost.
Hang on, Tiger.
Ask him. Hold on.
Holy moly.
Go.
6.5 pounds?
Nice fish, buddy.